Hey there, today I'm going to beg you to stop making boring videos, and I promise to show you how you can spice those videos up right away. Let's go. Number 1, talk about things your audience actually is interested in. This very video is in response to something that my audience and clients ask on a regular basis. How do I make better videos, Dan? So I'm making a video about how to make videos less boring and keep your audience engaged, inspired, and entertained. Bonus tip, if you're here for the first time watching one of my videos, then this is also a chance for me to set the tone so you can imagine what it might be like to watch more of my videos in the future. 2 birds, 1 stone. Number 2, tell a good story. I know it's cliche and everyone is saying it, but that's why I actually break down what story is and dig one layer deeper. Now, story doesn't always have to be once upon a time and happily ever after. Story can come in many forms, and as long as story is top of mind while you're writing your video scripts, you'll become a better and better storyteller as you continue to make videos. Remember point number 1 that I just shared a moment ago? I told a mini story in there about how my audience asked me for certain information, and that leads me to making specific videos to help them with their problems. Heck, referencing tip number 1 just now is really just me telling you a story. Number 3, include your personality in your videos. I do this in a few different ways, but it comes through the most in my passion for helping entrepreneurs and my adoration of dad jokes and puns. A friend of mine said I should do more lunges in my workouts. I don't know though, it seems like that would be a really big step for me. Now come on, you guys, it wasn't that bad. Number 4, include B-roll. Remember that short clip of me being bored and sleeping at my desk in the beginning of this video? That is B-roll. Showing supporting images and video clips while you're talking is a powerful way to make your videos less boring. I could tell you all about what it's like to move through an airport, to get on a plane and travel to a vacation destination. But what if I showed you what it's like to arrive at the airport, say goodbye to a loved one, check all the upcoming flights, go through airport security, move through the airport to find your terminal, wait for your flight, board the plane, take your seat, lift off into the air, enjoy the flight, land again, wait for your luggage, grab an Uber, and start your vacation. It's just a lot less boring with B-roll. Number 5, be helpful with a really good call to action. I know my audience wants to learn how to look and sound great on camera. So at the end of my videos, I like to recommend another video that comes naturally after the one that they've just watched. For example, if you like videos like this one covering how to make better videos, then watch this video right up here to learn the top 5 worst beginner mistakes and how to avoid them. It's a pretty good one. You see how that works?